Ah, the Rolex, a name synonymous with luxury, aspiration, and perhaps a touch of look at me, I've made it. But have you ever stopped mid-caviar and champagne to ponder what actually goes into making this horological heavyweight? It's not just a matter of slapping a few cogs together, you know, it's a journey, my friends, a fascinating journey of meticulous craftsmanship, high-tech wizardry, and a dash of good old-fashioned human touch. From the fiery depths of molten metal to the delicate dance of tiny gears, creating a Rolex is an intricate ballet of precision and artistry. So, buckle up, dear reader, as we delve into the fascinating world of Rolex, where time isn't just money, it's an obsession. Prepare to be amazed, amused, and maybe even slightly tempted to invest in a timepiece that's more than just a watch, it's a legend. Now, where did I put that platinum credit card? Our story begins, as all good stories do, with a bit of metal, but this isn't just any metal. This is the foundation of something extraordinary, something that will eventually become a symbol of luxury and precision. But not just any metal, mind you. These are the finest materials, carefully selected and rigorously tested to meet the highest standards. Each piece of metal is scrutinized, ensuring it possesses the qualities needed to create a masterpiece. Rolex doesn't settle for the ordinary, oh no. The brand's commitment to excellence is evident in every step of the process. From the moment the raw materials arrive at the factory, they are treated with the utmost care and precision. We're talking about 904 grade steel, a material so robust, so resistant to corrosion, it's practically got a superhero complex. This isn't your average steel, it's a special alloy that combines strength and beauty, making it perfect for a luxury timepiece. This oyster steel, as Rolex likes to call it, because who doesn't love a good marketing term, forms the backbone of many a Rolex watch, lending them that signature heft that whispers, I may be expensive, but I'm built to last. And then there's gold, our gold, the metal of kings and queens, not the cheap stuff you find down the back of the sofa, but 18-karat gold, meticulously crafted in Rolex's very own foundry. This gold is not just any gold, it's a blend of purity and durability, ensuring that every Rolex watch shines with a brilliance that lasts a lifetime. That's right, they melt down the gold themselves, ensuring every shimmering ounce meets their exacting standards. Talk about control freaks. But this level of control is what sets Rolex apart. It's what ensures that every watch that bears the Rolex name is nothing short of perfection. But the real star of the show, the element that truly elevates Rolex to the pinnacle of luxury watchmaking, that has to be the platinum. This metal is not just rare, it's exceptional. Its density and weight give it a presence that is unmatched by any other material. This precious metal, rarer than a humble brag at a Rolex convention, is so dense it makes a gold bar feel like a feather. Platinum's unique properties make it the ultimate choice for those who seek the very best. It's the ultimate symbol of luxury, and Rolex, naturally, uses it with the reverence it deserves. Every platinum Rolex watch is a testament to the brand's dedication to quality and craftsmanship. From these raw materials, the journey begins, a journey that will transform mere metal into a time-keeping masterpiece. Each step in the process is a blend of art and science, where skilled craftsmen and cutting-edge technology come together to create something truly extraordinary. This is the Rolex origin story, a tale of passion, precision, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Now let's meet the people who make the magic happen, the Rolex watchmakers. These aren't your average clock adjusters, content to while away the hours in dusty workshops. No, these are horological heroes, masters of their craft, wielding tiny tweezers and miniature screwdrivers with the precision of brain surgeons. Trained for years, these artisans hand-assemble each movement, piece by minuscule piece. It's like watching a ballet, albeit one performed under high magnification and with a lot less tutus. Each tick of the watch is a testament to their skill, a symphony of gears and springs working in perfect harmony. And the concentration. You could fire a cannon through the workshop, not that I'm suggesting you do, mind you. And these masters of focus wouldn't flinch. Their eyes are glued to the task at hand, their hands moving with a deftness that would make a concert pianist weep with envy. It's enough to make you feel a bit inadequate, isn't it? All I can manage, with a pair of tweezers, is to accidentally launch a stray eyebrow hair across the room. Section 4, time waits for no watch. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to the world of Rolex, where precision meets perfection and every second counts. Today we delve into the rigorous testing that each Rolex watch undergoes before it graces your wrist. You'd think that after all that painstaking craftsmanship, Rolex would be content to simply package up their watches and ship them off to eager wrists around the world. But the journey of a Rolex is far from over once the assembly is complete. But oh no, that would be far too simple. The real test begins after the watch is assembled. Each Rolex is subjected to a series of tests that push the boundaries of endurance and precision. These timepieces don't just tell time, they laugh in the face of time, enduring a battery of tests so rigorous, so demanding, it makes climbing Mount Everest look like a leisurely stroll in the park. Imagine a watch that can withstand the harshest conditions on Earth and still keep ticking with unwavering accuracy. We're talking about water resistance tests that would make a submarine blush. Each Rolex is submerged in water and subjected to pressures that mimic the depths of the ocean. This ensures that whether you're diving in the Mariana Trench or simply caught in a rainstorm, your Rolex remains unfazed. Shock tests that simulate the force of 1,000 Roger Federer forehands. These tests ensure that your Rolex can handle the bumps and jolts of everyday life, from a vigorous tennis match to an accidental drop, and temperature variations that would make a polar bear sweat. Each watch is exposed to extreme temperatures, from the freezing cold of the Arctic to the scorching heat of the Sahara, ensuring it performs flawlessly no matter where you are. And let's not forget the Cyclops test. This isn't some mythical creature that guards the Rolex factory, although that would be quite something, wouldn't it? It's the infamous magnifying lens on the date window. No, it's not some mythical creature that guards the Rolex factory, although that would be quite something, wouldn't it? The Cyclops lens undergoes scrutiny so intense it's a wonder it doesn't spontaneously combust. This lens magnifies the date, making it easier to read, and it must be flawless. It's the infamous magnifying lens on the date window, which undergoes scrutiny so intense it's a wonder it doesn't spontaneously combust. Every detail is examined to ensure it meets Rolex's exacting standards. If a Rolex can survive all that, it can certainly handle a bit of spilled champagne and a few admiring glances, wouldn't you say? So, the next time you glance at your Rolex, remember the journey it took to get there. It's not just a watch, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Section 5, ticking with tenacity, the secrets inside a Rolex. Now let's peek beneath the hood, shall we? The allure of a Rolex isn't just in its iconic design or the prestige it carries, it's in the intricate world that lies within, a world that few get to see but many admire. Inside every Rolex beats a heart of pure horological ingenuity, the movement. This is where the magic happens, where time is meticulously measured and maintained. This intricate mechanism, a symphony of gears, springs and tiny jewels, is what keeps a Rolex ticking with such unwavering accuracy. Each component, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in this mechanical ballet. Take the perpetual rotor, for instance. This ingenious device is the cornerstone of Rolex's self-winding technology. This self-winding marvel harnesses the power of your everyday movements to keep the watch running without the need for batteries. Talk about sustainable energy. Every flick of your wrist, every subtle motion contributes to the perpetual motion of the watch. It's like having a tiny power plant strapped to your wrist, albeit one that runs on tea and biscuits rather than fossil fuels. Imagine the elegance of a device that powers itself simply by being worn. And then there's the parachrom hairspring, a Rolex invention so revolutionary it makes the wheel look like child's play. This component is crafted from a unique alloy that Rolex developed after years of research. This marvel of micro-engineering is impervious to magnetic fields and temperature changes, ensuring your Rolex keeps time with the precision of an atomic clock, even if you happen to be hanging out with Elon Musk near a rocket launch. The parachrom hairspring is a testament to Rolex's commitment to precision and reliability. It's enough to make your head spin, isn't it? The level of detail and craftsmanship that goes into each Rolex is truly staggering. But then again, that's what makes a Rolex so fascinating. It's not just a timepiece, it's a work of art, a marvel of engineering and a symbol of excellence. It's a world unto itself, a microcosm of engineering brilliance and obsessive attention to detail. Each Rolex is a testament to the brand's unwavering dedication to perfection, a legacy that continues to tick with tenacity.